Christmas and a Happy New Year! We're here today to greet BFF Jinsky a happy birthday. So Sophia will sing first.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Jinska. Happy birthday to you.
Tita Jinsky, BFF Jinsky, happy birthday! Thank you so much for everything. Thank you for the friendship, and I wish you all the best in life. Good health and long life and more blessings to come. Ayan.
Shout out sa lahat. Meron lang po tayong babatiin. Isang magandang babae. Walang iba si Admin Jinsky. Happy birthday Admin Jinsky Eddie. Enjoy mo lang yung kaarawan mo. Bawal ma-stress sa birthday. Wish you all the best and more candles to blow. More birthdays to come. Admin Jinsky, enjoy lang at palaging mag-ingat. Sana hindi ka magbago. And once again, happy birthday Admin Jinsky na maganda.
Hello, Ma'am Jinsky. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Jinsky. Wish you all the best and good health always. Merry Christmas na rin to all BFF.
We miss you so much, Ma'am Jinsky, especially pagka kayo po ay nagla-live. At saka, kahit nung ako naman po ay nagla-live din, namimiss ko po yung mga sobrang kulitan, asaran, at siyempre po may kasama na rin kantahan. Sobrang pong namimiss po yung mga bagay na yon. At siyempre po, we wish all the best. Sana po makamta ninyo yung lahat ng minimit ninyo sa buhay. Pero kailangan din po ninyo ang pag-iingat sa inyong health. Kasi alam naman po namin yun na pagka kayo namimigay ng ayuda, ng banana, or ng rush hour, pag pinaangat yung channel ng kasamahan, alam po kung yun ay sobrang yung pinag-iingatan at pinagpupuyatan. So, ingat po kayo sa health ng Jinsky. So again, happy birthday po and Merry Christmas na rin.
Happy New Year!
Ay, matagal pa yun.
Hello, Admin Jinsky, and to everyone that is watching this premiere. Hello po. First and foremost, happy birthday, Admin Jinsky. And thank you, ang isa ako sa mga nagbili na magbigay ng birthday greetings. And as you all know, guys, hindi naman kami ganun ka-close ng Admin Jinsky. At nakilala ko lang sa Admin Jinsky through Boss R na isa din ka-member ng Team BFF at nakilala ko namin si Boss R sa ka-teammate ko na si Kusina Nilangga. And dun ko rin nakilala yung team leader nila na si Sir Ricky Big Vlogs. Yan. Kung naalala nyo guys, yung last month, I think, November 20, if I'm not mistaken, yung second year anniversary ng Team BFF, isa po ako sa mga co-host ng anniversary ng Team BFF. And thank you for inviting me, Sir Ricky and Admin Jinsky. Salamat sa tiwala niyo sa akin at lagi niyo ako i-invite sa inyong event. Ayan, and kahit hindi man kami ganun ka-close ni Admin Jinsky, I feel that she's a good person, kind-hearted, and very supportive sa lahat. And I'm thank you for that, Admin Jinsky, dahil kahit pa paano, alam ko na sobrang busy ka dyan, pero may time ka pa rin minsan na mag-drop by sa aking life. And thank you for that. And anyway, wish you all the best in life. May you fulfill all your wishes and dreams in life. May God shower you with lots of blessings, good health, and long life. Again, happy birthday, Admin Jinsky. Stay pretty as you are and enjoy your special day.
Hello mga langga, may advance sa inyong atunan or magandang araw po para sa ating lahat. This is me again, Kusina ni Langga or si Langga na nasa kusina na. Charot lang. Ayan, first of all, nagpapasalamat po kay JB's TV. Isa po ako sa napili mo na magbibigay ng mensahe para sa special day nyo. Ayan, hindi yan po Christmas na sineselebrate natin ngayon, kundi dahil birthday din po ng isa sa pinakamamahal nating admin Disney AEV. Ayan, sana po yung masaya ka sa araw mo. And my wish for you ay may your success, love, and happiness and prosperity be with you every day. Ayan, stay safe, stay healthy, stay pretty. Sana all. Sarot lang. Hindi, maganda ka naman talaga as Will Air. Kaya stay pretty and humble, my friend. Ayan. Once again, ayan, hindi ko na patatagalin to. Ayan. Happy birthday to you. And I wish that lahat ng wish mo ay matupad sa buhay. Diba? Ayan, magandang araw po para sa ating lahat. Again po, maraming salamat. And happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.